Peach smoothie recipe, healthy smoothie recipe. Welcome to Amax. In today's video, we are going to make simple 3-ingredient peach smoothie recipe. Let's dive right in. In today's peach smoothie recipe, the ingredients we are going to use are going to be, we have 1 fresh peach, very ripe banana, and then we are going to use 1 glass of silk almond milk. I'm going to peel my bananas. Always make sure the banana is very ripe so your smoothie will taste sweet without adding any sweetening to it. So this is all going to be natural and healthy. And get all your strings out. One very ripe banana, 1 fresh cut peach, vanilla milk, 1 glass almond milk, Hello friends, so we just finished making peach smoothie recipe with just 3 simple ingredients. This is very healthy, fresh, that you can make within few minutes. Your smoothie should be ready for you. I hope this video helps you. Also watch the next video about 5 healthy smoothie recipes. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Leave in the comment section below for me, how did your peach smoothie recipe came out? Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.